What is going on, guys? Sirluis here, the YouTuber to invest to rest. And in today's video, I'm going to show you guys here how to promote your NFT project collection from OpenSea, and honestly any NFT platform out there. I'm going to show you guys here how I would promote it if I had a serious NFT project. There's always NFTs every single day, and it's pretty hard to get discovered on OpenSea itself. So you have to go to other platforms, right, to get discovered, to bring people to your NFT collection. Think of it sort of kind of like a Shopify, right? You make a Shopify, but you need to bring people to it. And a lot of times people spend money doing advertisements and things like that. But looking at all the platforms, honestly, the one that I would spend the most time on if I was an NFT artist, if I had an NFT collection, that would be Twitter, okay? And the reason why Twitter has a huge following, not just for crypto, but also for NFTs. There's a huge community of people that are into NFTs and crypto on Twitter, tweeting every single day. And they also have the chat room feature in Twitter, which I'm pretty sure you guys have seen it. People are in like chat rooms and they're talking. And I follow a lot of people that have NFT projects. So if you're going to be serious in promoting your NFT collection, definitely make a Twitter. Make sure you take time in making your Twitter. Put the banner up, put all your links 100% to your website or to your OpenSea collection, and just try to make it professional as possible. Then the next step would be follow people in the NFT community. Even if they're not an NFT similar to yours, still follow them, tweet, reply, say compliments. Just try to be as genuine as possible. Try to get into the community. And if you need help with this, you could just follow me and go into my following or followers, and you'll see a lot of projects and people that have NFT projects. And it's honestly very simple. All you have to do is just go to Twitter, search NFT, and you're just gonna see how big the NFT community here is on Twitter. They're always tweeting literally every second about NFT. So this right here is a great post. After you have a good following on Twitter, after you're pretty active with everybody, replying, tweeting here and there, this is a pretty good post right here for people promoting their NFTs. You're just saying the launch date, launch time, just showing like a showcase of his NFT. And what's amazing about Twitter is if you have a good amount of following and they're into NFTs, if just one person retweets it, it could go viral. Many people can see it and it could go viral, and that can bring you a lot of people onto your OpenSea and your project. So just by searching NFT, you could search the top post, the latest post, which is pretty good. And another way too, that I found that is pretty good way to get people is NFT giveaways. People love NFT giveaways, especially on Twitter. Twitter is the place where they be having NFT giveaways. Even Gary Vee, he's been very active on Twitter, and a lot of times here and there he tweets saying that, I want to send somebody a free NFT, comment your wallet address below. And there's just thousands of people just commenting their NFT wallet so they can get a free NFT. So as you can see, there's many people that are into NFTs right on Twitter. So right here, this is a great post right here, giveaway alert, to celebrate this and that. Just talking about her project, right? You can see all the retweets, all the replies. So doing NFT giveaways is a great way to promote your NFT project. Just give you an example, right? You can do an NFT giveaway, and the requirements is follow your page, obviously, like and retweet. That's the key right there, retweeting. Because if somebody retweets it, somebody else is going to see it and they're going to retweet it because they want to get the giveaway, right? And make sure you do everything right. And I would say put like the winner of the giveaway is this guy, and even put your NFT art just to showcase the winner and everything. And the main objective, guys, just be consistent and active on Twitter. Is going to make you guys go a long way. And another one too that's very underrated, I would say, is Pinterest, okay? There's actually a lot of people that go on Pinterest, and just having a Pinterest and sharing your NFTs on Pinterest can help it get boosted on the Google searches as well. So definitely look into Pinterest, and Pinterest is just very easy to set up. Just make a profile, and when you get a new NFT, just put the link and share it on Pinterest. You don't have to spend a lot of time, as I would say, as you should on Twitter. So definitely don't leave out Pinterest. And like I said, focus more on Twitter, and then try to grow your NFT project having a website. Discord is another huge step. After you get a good amount of following, you want to have a Discord so you can know your audience even more and communicate with them even better with a Discord. But the Discord is like the later steps. The first step is definitely Twitter. Try to be, like I said, active, replying to others, complimenting others. One strategy too would be, go on a successful NFT page and then go to their followers, and their followers are filled with people that are interested in NFTs and especially early NFT projects. So what I would do is I would, I don't know, click a random one, and I would follow them, find one of the tweets and maybe reply saying, giving your opinion or something. And you can also message them in the DM saying, just a genuine message saying, hey, if you have any time, definitely check out my NFT project. Just try to have a genuine message. Don't be spammy at all. But that's it, guys. That's what I would do personally if I had a serious NFT project. Spend most of your time on Twitter, because you will see and you'll find out that the biggest community of NFT is on Twitter. And just try to be active in all of them, but mostly on Twitter. And after you grow your community more, then you have Discord. Try to get a website. But that's really it, guys. Definitely check out my other videos too. I made a review video for OpenSea app, which you can also use to share your NFTs easier on your phone. You just click share and you can share on Twitter and all that. So definitely check out that videos and my other videos. And thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.